Hi ma'am, I'm Ezekiel Yuan from BSC 4Y2-5, and I'm going to discuss the different parts of the computer, the component and its function. So first, I'm going to produce a digital copy ma'am because I don't have a computer right now. So first, this is the case. This is where all the components of the computer put. This is all the computer parts input, and the second is the motherboard. This is where all the lines, wires the computer was connected, and the power supply, this one ma'am, this is the power source of the computer, and the fourth one is the graphic card. This card ma'am creating the solid image of the computer. And wait, and for the next one is the CPU. It is the brain of the computer ma'am, that's responsible for executing all your communication and in a computer system ma'am. And this one is the RAM. This is for the short-term memory of the computer ma'am. And the next is hard drive. This is the hard drive ma'am. This is like a storage in a computer, where you put all the digital contents, or whether it is an image or message. This is the storage in it ma'am. And the last ma'am, this is the SSD, solid state drive. This is the storage device that use flash memory to store data. Ito pa ma'am, in Tagalog pa ma'am, parang sa SSD ma'am, pwede po siyang bunutin, or pwede siyang bunutin and magsisave po yung mga ma'am, mga files na sinave. Yan lang po. Thank you.